Hi, Doreen Yaffa from Yaffa Family Law Group, and as most of you know, I'm also a life coach. You know, so many people that I see in my business as a marital and family lawyer, practicing now for going on 27 years, is that they are in a state of confusion. Do they stay married? Do they move forward with a divorce? How does that affect themselves, their children? How are they going to survive financially? All these questions, all these thoughts are going around in their brain. And what do? They talk to people like their friends. They talk to maybe some trusted family members. They try to get advice from sources like the Googles. And I can tell you that's not where you should be looking for how to take your next step to your most amazing life. What you should be doing first is looking at your thoughts. How do I change my thoughts to thoughts that serve me? That's what I teach as a life coach, about thoughts and how we change those, because you know thoughts create feelings, create action, create results. Let's talk about most of the people that come and see me. Again, practicing 27 years, going on 27 years, I've seen people at their worst. I've seen people come to me and they're so confused. They don't know what to do, where they're going to turn, how it's going to work out for them. And guess what? They survive and they get to this amazing place, another chapter in their life, and 9 times out of 10 from what I see, they're in a much better place. So what I thought is I could help you. I could help you go from confusion to clarity. How am I going to do that? I have a workshop for you. It's on March 17th. It's for 1 hour of your time. It's from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit about your thoughts. I'm going to teach you how to change those and how to look at them differently about divorce and really about your life in general. Then we're going to talk about the processes. How do I get there? You know, it's not a one size fits all, and it's not like the War of the Roses and what you see on TV. There are options for getting divorced, and there are really some good options. And then we're going to figure out, last part of it, how do I get there? How do I take that next step to my most amazing life? And I hope that you'll come and join me. I hope that you'll be one of the people that's there. Whether you participate or you come and you don't even tell us your name, I welcome you. I hope to see you there. See the information below. Again, March 17th, 11:30 a.m. And until next time, if you have any questions, just let me know.